Let me tell you the story about the way I've lived. My streets are steeped in secrets, my memories in myths. If Clerkenwill's the cradle, I'm the kid. Day one, I defined myself, bohemian by birth. I disposed with the doctor, been out with a nurse. I was born a bastard. Well, then I just got worse. I'm the kid who lives in the city that kicks. The chimneys and the gutters are the place that I call home. The junkies, whores and nutters call me their very own. I pick it up in Bloomsbury, shoot up the city road, get down in the sewers from Shorty's to Soho. But you be concerned with the things they said I did. I ain't got no regrets and no one to forgive. I ain't talking gangsters and that East Coast West Coast shit. No one calls me homeboy, I'm the Clerkenwell kid. I'm the Clerkenwell. You got tired of living in this city all alone? Well, come and join me, you make my world your own. We'll dance together out into the blue, waltz forever underneath the London moon. Me and you.
Браво, спасибо.